How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to CNC Auto Works. Today I'm going to be showing you how to roll a fender lip or a fender bead on basically any car or truck. When you've got it lowered and you put too wide, too fat of tires without any special tools. I'm going to show you basically how to go from this just your typical L-shaped bead, and I'm going to show you how to take it to this. Which is a rolled or more flattened style lip. They do make special tools of this that'll bolt to your wheel hub. You can roll it back and forth by hand. But what I like to do is I like to use a bat, a wooden bat. I've used pieces of pipe. This is actually a tire checker for a semi-truck. Just a little miniature bat. And usually I have the car running. And I just have somebody sitting in the driver's seat, running the car back and forth as I hold the bat. And it just rolls your beads slightly that way. It's pretty effortless. This car, we're not going to fire it up. We got the engine bay taped off because you can see we're priming it. And I know I told you guys you want to see this car again until it had color on it. But we went ahead and wanted to test fit the new wheels just in case we had to roll the fenders. And good thing we did, because just so happens we got to roll them.
And this happens.
Yeah, you can see that basically all the primer flaked off. I've rolled beads before and I've never had that problem, but I think it was the actual base coat to the car that popped off, because you can see it is white and we didn't sand it all the way down to the metal. So instead of talking, I'm going to show you exactly what I do to actually roll these things.
Gonna keep on going.
So like I said earlier, I don't have a way to really start the car right now because I got the engine taped off. So my little brother is actually going to be my horsepower to demonstrate this. But all I do is I take the bat, I stick it inside the fender well, and then if the car was running, I'd have somebody pull forward or backwards, forward, backwards. And as I do so, what I do is I push down on the bat. Every time I roll it through there, I do it 6, 7, 8, 10 times until I actually roll this entire lip up against the back side of the quarter panel. And we're going to demonstrate that real quick.
You want me to start it?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. You want me to put it in drive?
We don't have the weight of the car to actually get this to feed through there just real good. But now you can see there, it did pop off all the paint, but see, it's already rolled that lip pretty good. It was at a 90. I've actually got it at about a 45. Now what we're gonna do is actually go back the other way, and I'm gonna put a little more pressure on the handle of this bat.
Can you put it in reverse?
Yeah, without all the sound effects.
Why not? Okay.
Be careful not to bulge the outside. I have seen people completely ruin the outside of the quarter panel or fender. But you definitely want to roll these fenders when lowering a vehicle or trying to tuck tires. I like to roll them rather than cut them off. I've seen some guys that cut them, but I'm not just real crazy about cutting them. You got a little bit more. I think I'm gonna run it back through one more time. I should go ahead and get it sucked up. These lips are actually pretty weak. I've had a lot harder time doing it than I'd have on this car. Now I'm gonna really push on the handle of this bat down to the ground as he rolls it back through there.
You want to put it in drive again? Okay.
Come on horsepower.
I only got like 2. My left and right hand.
Well, it's still just a little bit of gap. I'm gonna do it one more time.
I'll give you all 2 horsepower. Hello, what you doing?
Coming to help.
Work's already done. This is just going through here one more time. Or maybe. There we go. Actually,
There it is. She's flat up against there. She's nice and rolled now. Now I don't have to worry about cutting on my tires or it wind up cutting the sidewall out of my tire. Gonna wind up getting the front wheels put on and see if we need to go ahead and roll them. But essentially we're gonna do just the same thing. You can tell, I don't know if you can look up in there, but you can tell by my hand that it is completely rolled now. But that's just a simple way of doing it without any special tools. I know the actual roller itself has went down in price compared to what they used to be, but now with everything going on, you can already tell by just going to the grocery store that everything's going right back up. So if you got a piece of pipe or a piece of round wood or a baseball bat, just run it through there. Just be a little careful. Have you somebody to help. That's a simple way to roll your beads. Or your fender lips, whatever you want to call them. But I want to thank everybody for watching. And until next time, we'll catch you guys later.